Imagine this: juicy chicken, crispy golden skin, the crunch is music to your ears. That's the dream, right? Fried chicken perfection. But getting there? Sometimes that's a nightmare. Oil splattering everywhere, chicken sticking to the pan, and the worst? Soggy, sad crust. We've all been there. It's enough to put anyone off frying for life, but don't give up hope. We want that crunch, that shatter, that perfect golden brown, but achieving it? It's a battle against physics. Hot oil hates water, and chicken? Full of it. That's why we get the splattering, the uneven cooking, the frustration. But what if there was a way? A way to tame the oil, to guarantee that crunch? Well, chefs, there is. The secret? Water. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, a quick dip in ice water before frying changes everything. This isn't some fancy chef trick, it's simple science. The cold water shocks the chicken, tightening the skin. This helps the breading stick, creating a barrier against the oil. No need for complicated ingredients. Here's what we need: chicken pieces, drumsticks, thighs, your choice, flour, salt and pepper, paprika for that smoky kick, garlic powder, eggs, ice water, oil for frying. Vegetable oil works great. Section 5. Breading Basics. Now let's talk breading. This is crucial for that crispy coating. First, season your flour generously. Salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, don't be shy. Next, the egg wash. Whisk your eggs until light and frothy. Now coat each chicken piece in flour, then egg, then back in the flour. Press the breading on firmly. We want a good, even layer. Section 6. The water dip, your secret weapon. Here's the magic touch: the water dip. Fill a bowl with ice water. Now dunk each breaded chicken piece into the water for about 30 seconds. Make sure it's fully submerged. This step might seem odd, but it's the key to preventing oil splatters and ensuring a super crispy crust. Section 7. Splatter-free frying. Heat your oil in a large pan. We want it around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Now carefully lower the chicken into the hot oil. See? Minimal splattering. Fry in batches, don't overcrowd the pan. This ensures even cooking. Section 8. Golden perfection. Fry for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, depending on the size of your chicken pieces. We're looking for that beautiful golden brown color. Use a thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius. Once cooked, remove the chicken and place it on a wire rack to drain excess oil. This keeps the crust crispy. Section 9. Taste the difference. And there you have it: crispy, juicy, perfectly fried chicken. The crust should be golden and shatter with each bite. The meat inside? Juicy and cooked to perfection. This water dipping technique is a game changer. No more messy splattering, no more soggy crusts, just pure fried chicken bliss. Section 10. Share your success. Now go on. Try this technique for yourself. Impress your friends and family with your newfound frying skills. And don't forget to share your success stories. Happy cooking!